Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to delete stories on TikTok. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. You can see your story by tapping on your profile picture, so tap on it. And you will see your story. You can see the three dots on the right side of your screen. Tap on it. Now, there you will see an option to delete your story. Tap on the delete option. It will ask you to confirm the delete. Confirm it by tapping on delete. And you have successfully delete your story on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful, and you are able to delete stories on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.